For those aspiring to work in advertising, public relations, or media, COM is the place to be. Our faculty have developed award-winning Super Bowl spots and led communications at Fortune 500 companies. As a student, you'll have the opportunity to not only learn from the best in the industry, but to apply those skills, interning in Boston and beyond, conducting research, and working with real clients. PR Lab and Ad Lab are the oldest student-run agencies in the country, where you'll get to work on accounts such as Ben & Jerry's, Wayfair, and a variety of nonprofit organizations. This past year, the agencies teamed up to produce the public health campaign F It Won't Cut It to promote campus safety during the COVID-19 pandemic. They received national attention and even presented their work to the CDC.